Everyone, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Everyone, can you hear me? Yeah. Shall we start cinema? Just introduction part only. Software testing. What is the software testing? Anybody having idea? Software testing. No idea? Sorry. Sir, remove software. What is testing? Anybody please tell? Verification and validation. Okay, fine. Next.
Ensuring the quality.
Yes, very good. Next. Very good. Sir, here I'm not asking about the definitions and all those things. Okay, who are telling verification validation? Okay, I agreed. That is the definition. Verification validation, quality, everything is some definitions there are. Okay, I am fine. But here I'm not asking about any software. Just testing. Just testing. Sir, testing means, sir, suppose I am given a pen for you. Test it. How to test it? Just to open the cap, write it. Is it working or not working? Yeah, no. So just you want to test the fan. Test it. Just to switch on. Switch off. Regulator. Sir, you want to buy a bike. You go for the test drive. You want to buy for a car. You go for the test drive. Testing means something is there. Yes. Testing means something is there. Is it working or not working? Based on your requirement, that is called as a testing procedure. Sir, in morning to night, every day, you are performing so many testing. Sir, suppose in your home, suppose if you are married, your wife or else your parents, are go and bring the sweets in the shop, or go and buy the grapes, or go and something they are telling, grapes or sweets, whatever is there. Sir, what is the procedure you are following? Just you want to go to the shop. Audio not working means maybe your side problem, Roshan. Yeah, your audio not connected. Okay, sir. So, yes, sir. Anyone please tell how to do that one? Sweets and grapes. Just you can go to the shop. Okay, fine. Sir, first you have to checking look and feel. Yes or no? If you want to buy the grapes or sweets, how the looking is good. we need to look and feel. After that, we can taste it one or two. You can taste it one or two. Then you can buy it. So there also you are performing testing. There also we are performing the testing activities. Yes or no? Everyone following same procedure. Go to the shop. Okay. Just you can see the look and feel. You can taste one or two grapes, or you can taste one or two sweets. Then you can buy it. So if you want to go to buy a mobile, what to do? Go to the shop. If it is a new mobile, just you are seeing the features and simply you can buy it. If it is a second-hand mobile, just you have to see the mobile. If there are any scratches are there, damages are there, and we have to test it, then we can buy it. Sir, in n number of testings we are performing every day. From person birth to death, lakhs of testings we are performing. Sir, suppose one person is walking on the road, suddenly he fall down. Immediately we are checking his pulse, his breath, heartbeat, everything. That is also one testing. Birth, the time of giving the birth baby, mother will go to the every 3 months, 4th month, 5th month for the testing. How the growing is their baby. So from the birth to death, we are performing n number of testings. So already you are all experts in this testing area. Yes or no? Simple answer. You are all the professionals in this area. Yes or no? Na? Tell anyone answer yes or no. Anything, no problem for me.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Because everyone knows about that, sir. Simple question can I ask now? Here 10 to 12 members are there. How many of you pay the fee? Anybody, single person can pay the fee? No, no? Yeah, please tell frankly. No. Yes. Why you are not paying the fee? You are also doing testing. Just you are attending the demo. Okay, how Mahesh sir is taking the classes. Once you are satisfied, then only you can pay the fee and you can continue the classes. Yes or no? Blindly, no one can pay the fee. Suppose if any my old student are there, his brother or his sister, whatever is there, then they will tell directly, no problem, go to the Mahesh sir classes, pay the money and you can join. Then only they can directly payment and will be done. Otherwise, every person doing testing only. So already you are expert in this area. Then why these testing classes? Is it required? Not required. Oh, no, required, compulsory. If you are not required means if you are not joined. If you are not joined means you are not paying the fee. If you are not paying the fee, how will you get the money? So, course compulsory required. So compulsory you have to join this class. Okay, na? If I am telling you are all experts in the testing means immediately your side question is, see, sir, already we know testing. Then why this course? Immediately in your mind the question will come. No. Whatever you know testing, but how they are implemented in the software. I am adding one word here. You know testing, but you don't know the software testing. Everybody know testing, but what about this software testing? Simple things are how I tested pen, same thing I tested software. Enough. Oh, okay. Sorry. First of all, remove the testing. Now anybody tell what is the software? Sorry, every day we are seeing a number of software, sir. Why are you asking this question? Like that in your mind will come question. Now please tell anyone what is the software? Every day we are doing a number of, sir, morning to night in our phone, in your hand, phone is there. In the phone, so many apps are there. Example, Facebook, WhatsApp. You are always busy with the Facebook, Messenger or WhatsApp, everything. That is also some type of application, mobile app. Some software or not. If you want to book a ticket for movie, immediately you can open the Book My Show. So if you want to go to somewhere, flight tickets, you can open some spicejet.com. You want to send a mail to your friend, open the Gmail. So every day I am using softwares or a number of softwares. Why are asking this question means yes, that is all softwares. At the time of software, different categories are there. System software and application software. Sir, I will tell all this. Today just demo introduction, but only basic I will do. Sir, what is system software? Sir, when I can purchase laptop, only it contain hardware component only. There is no software. If you want to install any software like Java, Python, Selenium, whatever is there, OS, OS operating system, that is called a system software. So that's what it is called as a BIOS, means basic input and output system. Without OS, we can't do anything. So without OS, can you run your laptop system anything? No chance. OS is compulsory. That is called as BIOS. So OS means we are not implemented. Application. So application software means yes. Suppose if I want to go to the SpiceJet, that is an application. Yes. So my title, Mahesh.com. This is the one application. And what we are seeing, that is called as application. So in application again, different categories are there, sir. Like desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications. Desktop means in our system which is running, that is called as a desktop. Example, this edit plus. Here I am typing the notes now, edit plus, notepad, MS, calculator, all these are. Web applications, Gmail, SpiceJet, Yahoo, all these are. Mobile apps in your mobiles, Facebook, WhatsApp, Google Pay, Phone Pay, this Pay, that Pay, Paytm, order. So every application, two ends are there, front end and back end. Front end and back end. Front end is what we are seeing. This is what is our front end. What is the back end? Yes. So to develop the front end, different technologies are there, sir. Remember, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, like that. These are all the front-end technologies. But as it is, we don't bother about these things. Yes, no issues about this. We don't want to record any programming. Okay, na? Yes. What about backend? To develop the backend, one language is required. So everyone thinking backend means database, not only database. One language required. One framework is required. After that, one database. So the language may be Java, or maybe Python, or maybe .NET, anything. Framework means if it is a Python, Django, Flask. If it is a Java, web services. Database, you know, Oracle database, SQL Server, MySQL, different database. Now concept is, as a tester, we don't bother about all these things. To develop this application, there is one life cycle is there, SDLC. Anybody knows about this? Software development life cycle. Anybody? Please, in the session, anybody know about this? Because who came from CSA background, they know. Who came from ECE, triple background, they don't know. Yeah, please tell. If you know, tell yes. Otherwise, no, no problem. SDLC. Anybody of you know? Yes, sir. Very good. Okay. Because maybe Diptran, you are from computer background, maybe. That's why you know this SDLC. Remaining Rohan Joshi. Yes. MCA. Oh, okay. Fine, fine. Yeah. MC means, yeah, that is I'm telling you, computers background. If anybody there from computer background, either MCA, MSc computers, BTech, CSE, IT background, everybody knows. Yes, very good. So SDLC means software development lifecycle. How to develop one application. That is called as SDLC. So, but 90% as per my experience from last tests I'm seeing now, testing who will come the students means maximum ECE students, triple E students, mechanical, civil engineers, they will come. Because if you want to go to the development side, more programming is required. Yes, in-depth programming is required. CoreJava, Advanced Java, framework, this, that, everything. But testing, very easiest way, to enter into the software. Very simple. How to go to software industry easiest way means only the way is testing only. So now in SDLC, whatever the pages are available there. First is observe carefully. So later on I will tell full detailed explanation. Present just I have given just to overview only. First requirements collection. So if you want to develop any software, who will give the requirements, sir? Client will give the requirements. But who is collecting those requirements? Developer or tester? Who is that person? BA. Business analyst will interact with the client and he will take all the requirements. So that is called as a requirements collection. Yes, this person is the responsible to interact with the client and take all the requirements. Once he will take, he will store into one documentation. The documentation is called as a BRS. URS. Sir, BRS full form is Business Requirement Specification. URS full form is User Requirement Specification. SRS means System or System Requirement. Later on I will tell what it is. So first BA will interact with the client, take all the requirements stored into one place, that is called as BRS. What it contains, yes, later on I will tell. So once it is done, next system analyst, he will do the analysis. Requirement analysis. He will prepare one documentation, that is called as FRS. So system analyst will review the documentation BRS and he will analyze and he will prepare one documentation, that is called as a FRS. FRS full form Functional Requirement Specification. All functionalities are available there. All functionalities. After that, design architecture will come. He will do the design. At the time of designing, he will prepare some documentation, GUI designing, and database designing, and application designing. There are all the three documents will be prepared by design architecture. So GUI means graphical user interface, front end, all the screens they are provided. Backend means database. Which database is suitable for us? The requirements collection, analysis, design. Based on this design, developer will come into the picture. He will write the coding. That is called as one software is ready. Okay, until now, everyone come into the picture. Business analyst will come, system analyst came, design architecture came, developer came. But where is the test engineer? Now test engineer will come into the picture. So once the software is ready, now QA will come, quality analyst. If you are doing testing, yes, now you can tell clarity. What is the testing? This is called as a system testing. Now please anyone tell what is the testing? One software given by the developer. My responsibility is this software is properly working or not based on the client's requirement. Simple word. Because developer is implemented one software. What is my responsibility? Is it working or not working based on the client requirements? That is called as a simple testing. QA means quality analyst. Sir, once my set testing is completed, sir, oh, client will also do testing. That type of testing is called as UAT, user acceptance testing. So this is just to overview only. Later on, big in-depth concept is there. Yeah, wait. Today just a demo, na. That's why I will give introduction only. Later on, I will explain clear, detailed Explanation will be there after some classes. Present overview I am given. Requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing. Once the client satisfied, very good, I can release. And maintenance. Release means client satisfied. They can give to the live. Everybody using the application. After that, maintenance. Completed. So this is the basic idea about the SDLC. If anybody asking what is SDLC means, you can tell this one. Requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing, release and maintenance. What is happening internally? What is BRS? I will tell. What is FRS? What it contains? What is GO and what is database? What is application? We will see. Simple software testing means who is given the software by the developers. As a tester, my responsibility is to check that application. That is called as a SD software testing. Do you know in the SDLC there are different models are there, sir? It is just architecture, na? SDLC models are there at the time of implementation. Sir, suppose if you want to buy a car, if you want to go to the Hyundai showroom, in Hyundai so many models are there. i10, i20, Verna, Creta, models are there, na? Same like that. In SDLC also multiple models are there. So 9 models I will tell to you. Waterfall model, prototype model. 9 models I will explain. Incremental or another factors they are explaining, I don't know. I will tell 9 models to you. Spiral model, rad model, Big Bang model, fish model, V model, SL model. Internally, Scrum model. 9 models I will explain to you in our course. Because interview many model they will ask. But highest priority 99% use this one only. SL methodology, that to Scrum model. Remember, very, very, very important things. Scrum models are real time. For sure. Minimum 3 to 4 questions they will ask in SL model. Who is the product owner? What is the Scrum Master roles? What are the documents we are preparing? What is a sprint? Explain about the Scrum architecture, like that. So 9 models I will tell to you: waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral, rad, Big Bang, fish, V model, SL model. This is the overall SDLC. So that is SDLC lifecycle and SDLC models. Just I am given overview to you. Later on some classes we will see in depth about all these. Okay, getting clarity? Just it is basic only what we have to learn. Next, sir, after SDLC, there is one more life cycle is there, that is SDLC, software testing life cycle. After that, one more is the BLC, bug life cycle. So entire testing, these 3 life cycles are important to you. Software development life cycle, software testing life cycle, BLC, bug life cycle. If you know these 3 life cycles, your manual testing is over. Yes. Your manual testing is the over. Are you getting it? Just introduction part only this is. Now, what are the software testing techniques are there? Software testing techniques. Sir, any company, any industry, only 2 types are there. Manual testing, automation testing. Sir, what is manual testing and what is the automation testing? Anybody having idea? Manual and automation. Manual and automation. No idea? Sir, manual testing means simple. Sir, whenever class is going on their offline class, students are sitting there. Whenever I'm telling the classes, some guys are happily sleeping in the last bench, last row. Some guys are happily, you can type in the chat panel, Shivkumar. If you have any doubt, you can type it. Also, in the end of the session, I will give the time. Then you can speak, okay na? Otherwise, if I'm unmute, some disturbance is coming. That is the reason. Okay na? End of the session, I will give the time. You can speak, no problem. So now, what is the manual means? Whenever students are sleeping in the last row, okay, I want to go and give left and right. That is called as a manual procedure because of they are sleeping. Automation, I can make it as one robot in my classroom. I will give instruction to the robot. If anybody is sleeping in the classroom, go and give left and right. That is called as automation. Getting it? Manual means directly as a trainer, I will go and give left and right to the student. That is called as manual procedure. But now I am given instruction to my robot. Robot will go and give left and right to the student. That is called as automation procedure. So manual means sir completely theory part only. Students have some doubts. In the manual there is no programming, no practical, nothing, sir. Only test engineer directly interact with application, check the application behavior. For that, tester we can prepare test cases. That is only main thing in the manual testing. For manual testing, completely boring part, theory part only. Remember, first of all, first 20 classes only theory only. What is a test case, how to write test case, how to execute, definitions, what is functional testing, what is non-functional, what is system, what is UAT, unit testing, integration, white box, black box, only definitions will come. So testing in directly interact application, for the manual testing you can write test cases. What is automation? Automation means the manual test cases I can convert it into test scripts by using some tool. That process is called as automation. The tool may be Selenium, the tool may be QTP, the tool may be Silk Test, the tool may be Lisa, the tool may be Tosca. N number of tools are there. Renorex, N number of tools are there like that. So here between test engineer and application, yes, test engineer will give instruction to the tool. Tool will execute on the application and tool will give the result. Sir, simply if I am given some calculations, sir, everybody in a position to tell the answer. Suppose if I am asking as a 3 into 4, what is the result? Suppose I am asking 4 into 10, what is the result? 5 into 6, what is the result? Everybody knows 8 into 9. Suppose if I am asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8, 6, 5, how can tell what is the answer? To do these activities, manual is enough. Yes or no? Simple thing, manual is enough. Sir, 12, 40, 30. Anyone tell this answer? Last answer. Oh, now Calc is required. Calculator means one tool. I'm giving instruction to the tool, tool will give the result. So this is called as manual part. Manual I calculated. But here one tool is required, that is calculator is required. That is nothing but your automation. Directly if I test any application, that is called as manual testing. But if I can use any automation tool, that is called as automation. At that time, nowadays we are using Selenium. Selenium with the Java we are using. Any type of organization, only these two are there, manual and automation only. And I am telling Selenium with Java. Test cases, how we need to convert it to the test space. Different types of methods are there, like white box testing, black box, gray box. Testing levels are there, unit testing, integration, system testing, UAT. Next, functionality testing, non-functionality. And some testing techniques are there, other testing. Smoke testing, sanity, retesting, regression, n number of are there. Sir, what I have to tell to in this course? Yes, what I am covering in this course. First, sir, manual testing. Without manual testing, there is no interview. Pakka. So first manual, completely theoretical part, all definitions, and what is test case, how to write test cases, complete manual testing we are discussing here. First 20 days it will take time. After that, one of the automation tool, the tool is Selenium with Java. I am telling. So Selenium with Python also very popular. Nowadays there are so many opportunities are there for Selenium with Python. But first Selenium with Java is compulsory. After that, once you're getting knowledge, you can go Selenium with Python or anywhere. So now I am taking Selenium with Java. So it is taking 20 classes. In Selenium, whatever is there, different are available there in the Selenium. Like framework, this, that, everything. I will show the course content also. Once Selenium completed, one defect tracking tool is required. Defect tracking tool means, sir, what is the main intention of testing? This one, to identify the defect. Some guys have the doubt. The doubt is, sir, what is the difference between defect, bug, failure, error? Anyone tell? Tell, no problem. Defect, bug, failure, error. All are same or different? Yeah, whatever you know, you can tell, no problem. What is a defect? What is the bug? What is the failure? What is error? What is the main intention of test engineer? The intention of test engineer is to identify these defects only. To identify the defects only. So one tool I will tell. The tool is in my site available, Mantis BT. This is called as a Mantis bug tracker. See the tool. What is the tool? Mantis bug tracker. This is the one bug tracking tool, sir. How it estimated bugs to the developers. Sir, once it is done, I will tell real-time implementation of a project. Means here I'm not taking any projects, sir. Like some guys are taking HMS application, banking application, this, that, you know. Real-time, what is the things going on there? Means real-time implementation means in that this is the course content. Manual means completely theoretical part only. This is the content what we have to tell. Real-time, what is happening? What is a Maven project? How to create that? What is the listeners? What is the retry mechanism? What is the extent reports? Jenkins, GitHub, these are all the real time. If you want to claim 3 years, 4 years experience, this content is compulsory. Yes, pakka. So in my course, first I will tell manual parts, sir. Next I will tell Selenium, one defect tracking tool, real time project. Sir, if anybody attend parallelly, if anybody wants to, sir, I want complete as early as possible, means every day morning 8 AM I am taking a class that is Selenium plus project. Today morning 8 o'clock I started. If you want to attend parallel, you can attend 8 o'clock Selenium classes, project classes, and 9:30 AM manual classes. No problem for me. No, sir, we will continue only this batch means okay, no problem. First manual, next to Selenium, next to project. Are you getting it? It is not compulsory to attend the parallelly, no issues. Some guys are asking, sir, as early as possible, want to complete, then you can attend. Here manual you can attend 9:30. 8 o'clock Selenium classes you can attend. In that Selenium plus project will come. No sir, here only means today morning, Dhaneshwar, today morning demo completed, Selenium demo. If you want tomorrow 8 o'clock you can attend. Then parallel your course will be completed. No sir, here means okay. Here manual, after that Selenium, after that project will come. That is your wish. You can decide, because some guys are, sir, parallel means we are not able to understand. We will continue one by one, one by one. Then happily you can attend only 9:30. Best don't come 8 o'clock. First manual 20 days, Selenium 20 days, project 20 days, 60 classes. Yeah, if you want only automation, then you can attend 8 o'clock batch, Gnaneshwar. Do you know manual testing, Gnaneshwar? If you know manual testing, then only you can come with the Selenium and project classes only. If you can manage both, if you know manual, then you can attend 8 o'clock batch, no problem, Gnaneshwar. Then Selenium project will come in that only. Who wants manual Selenium project, then only you can attend this one. Okay, na? Yeah, guys, that is, don't confuse. Who wants to manual Selenium project classes 9:30? If you want parallel, attend 9:30 and 8 a.m. Only Selenium project 8 a.m. Based on your flexibility, you can join. So I will tell all manual. I will tell Selenium, tell project. If you want to attend any interview, 3 are compulsory, mandatory. 3 are compulsory, mandatory. Sir, course content in our site is there. Manual course content. Sir, every day you will get the recordings and the materials. PDFs I prepared. 1 second. Please share the link for ATM batch. Yeah, Gnaneshwar, sure. In the durgashop.com site, my batch 8 o'clock is in that link is available. Or else you can contact those guys. They will give, our team will give 8 o'clock link. I will directly go to durgashop.com. My batch timing is there. In that register link is there. In that register. Hello sir, can we able to attach project taken by you in our resume? No. I am not given complete project Vaibhav. I am telling the procedure only. In the resumes projects you can take only. I will help you how to prepare the resume only. No, Sarika, sir, automation testing are available or not? This is automation testing. Na? Selenium is nothing but automation testing, Sarika. Automation means Selenium only. Do you want only automation or manual plus automation? That is, you can tell. Yeah, sure, Gnaneshwar. You can attend morning 8 o'clock batch. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yes, Sarika, tell what is your doubt? If you want only automation or manual plus automation, that is, you can give clarity. That means you will cover both manual. Yeah, both. See, that is I'm telling now. In this course, both I will cover. 9:30 batch, all will cover, Sarika. Manual, Selenium project, I will cover. Preeti, only manual, no use. There is no job also, only manual. Waste. If you want to show 3 years of experience, we prepare also with. Yes, Vaibhav. You can took the projects. I will tell how to prepare the resumes and everything. Preeti, only manual testing, there is no use. Compulsory automation is required. In the 9:30 batch, I will cover both, Sarika. Manual I will cover, automation cover, project will cover. Time problem means what time you can require, Preeti? Okay. Only. Mari Vaibhav, do you know manual testing? Preeti, one second.